హాయ్ హలో నమస్తే వెల్కమ్ టు దాయిమిష్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. మా వీడియోని మొదటిసారిగా చూస్తుంటే ఈ వీడియోని లైక్ చేసి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోగలరు. హూ ఈజ్ ద ఆథర్ ఆఫ్ ద బుక్ ద గ్రేట్ ఇండియన్ నవల్? ఆన్సర్ సి, శశి థరూర్. ఫస్ట్ పబ్లిష్డ్ బై వీకింగ్ ప్రెస్ ఇన్ 1989. ద బుక్ థాట్స్ ఆఫ్ పాకిస్తాన్ వాజ్ రిటన్ బై? ఆన్సర్ బి, అంబేద్కర్. హూ వాజ్ ద ఆథర్ ఆఫ్ ద బుక్ ఏ లాంగ్ ఇన్నింగ్స్? ఆన్సర్ ఏ, విజయ్ హజారే. The book The God of Small Things was written by? Answer D, Arundhati Roy. The Ambitious Work is Arundhati Roy first novel. In published by 1997 and it won the Booker Prize. Geeta Govindam, the famous poem, was written by? Answer B, Jayadeva. Who was the author of the book The Guide? Answer A, R.K. Narayan. The book Two Leaves was written by? Answer B, Vikram Seth. Given below, which of the book is not written by Kalidasa? Answer D, Kadambari. Kadambari was written by Banabhatta. Midnight Children book was written by? Answer B, Salman Rushdie. Who was the author of Kerala, God's Own Country? Answer C, Shashi Tharoor. Who is the author of the book The Three Mistakes of My Life, written by? Answer B, Chetan Bhagat. The Golden Girl book was written by? Answer A, P.T. Usha. The book I Don't Like Cricket, I Love It was written by? Answer D, Chris Gayle. Cricket My Style book was written by? Answer B, Kapil Dev. The book A Century Is Not Enough was written by? Answer B, Ganguly. The book Religion and Society was written by? Answer A, Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Who was the author of Ardhacharitra? Answer D, Kautilya. Who is the author of the book 1984? Answer C, George Orwell. The famous book Anandamath was written by? Answer D, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Who is the author of My Experiment with Truth? Answer B, M.K. Gandhi. India Divided book was written by? Answer B, Babu Rajendra Prasad. My Life and Time book has been written by? Answer C, V.V. Giri. A Bunch of Old Letters book has been written by? Answer B, Jawaharlal Nehru. My Presidential Years book has been written by? Answer D, R. Venkataraman. This book is biography of the former President of India Pranab Mukherjee. The book Playing to Win was written by? Answer B, Saina Nehwal. Goal, the book has been written by? Answer A, Dhyan Chand. Serve to Win book has been written by? Answer A, Novak Djokovic. Yet Close to Play the book has been written by? Answer B, Ricky Ponting. Who wrote the book The Game Changer? Answer B, Shahid Afridi.